All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Anyway, you might be joining us from. So, you're welcome back to class, and today we're going to be learning a new thing in our Microsoft Excel work hour. What are we going to learn today? We are going to learn about what pivot charts. Yes, pivot charts. Now, what do you mean by pivot charts? So these are just way of what of we bringing our data into live, make turn into visualization, just to make it presentable and make it easy for what for our reader, for our viewers, for company decider, for decision maker in an entity, company, or anywhere to just what understand our data easily. Exactly. Whereas data is now, it is going to be very hard for anyone to understand this data. Exactly. So we're going to be creating just 2 or 3 charts in this class, and probably by the end of our Excel work, or probably we might have a general class on what dashboard making. Exactly. So without wasting much of our time, let us get started. Now, what are we doing in today's class now? Like I've said, we are doing with private chats. So in case you are just joining us, you are welcome to this YouTube channel. Learn with Corey. My name is Corey SG. I'm a data analyst and I'm also a data analysis instructor. So if you are looking into starting your data analysis journey, you are in the right place. I have a lot of students across different continents that have trained and they are doing well by the grace of God. So without wasting much of our time, let us get started into today's class. Now, how do you do that? If you want to do that now, let me make this my pen to be visible. The first thing you're going to do is click on this. When you click on this, then you come to what? Insert. From your insert, just come to pivot table. Let me just click on anywhere at all. Come to your what? From your home, come to insert like this, then come to the pivot table. Exactly. Now just say you want existing worksheet. Yes, let us just bring it here. And just say you want it to be in this particular place. Okay. Now, let me quickly give you some rules about pivot table. First thing is that pivot table don't overlap. What do I mean? What I mean is that what it is not possible for you to say what you want to have a pivot table here like this. Now, let me say I want to bring my sheet mode there. Then I want to count. Let me just say I want to use this as what as count. Now, then I will now say no. I will now say Control A, Control C. Means I want to paste what under one head. If I say I want to put another one, it's going to be overlapping. Pivot table doesn't accept that. It is not going to work. Exactly. It is not going to work. Now, my pivot table feed is going to be showing when and only if and only if I'm still on my pivot table. Immediately I click outside, you not see my pivot table feed again. And whenever I'm on my pivot table, so you see what a new tab, you should pivot table analyze and what design. Once I click outside of it, you can see it. You are not going to see that again. Exactly. Now, that means if I want to now I'm outside this now. Does that mean if I want to use another pivot table, I have to come to my order again to come and select and say another and say insert pivot table again? No, you don't need to do that. All you just need to do, just come here, just click on any of this place, click on Control A, Control C, you've copied it, then you can paste and edit. Yes, it's allowed. So instead of doing that, so you've pasted this and you want to edit it. Now then the next thing we are going to be doing here is let us just say we want to just check our sales. Okay, let us just check the sales by HTML. Now remove this one. Now just say what I want to calculate what the sales they've made. Then let me move count of segments. So I can come here like this, come to my home, and see I want what it's in form of dollar. Then what I don't want it in decimal place like this. You can see it now. So then how am I going to create the chart? Just click on it like this. Come to your pivot table analyze. Hope you are not too fast. Click on this. Come to your pivot table analyze, then come to what pivot charts here. From here you can see it. You can see you have a lot of what charts you can use. If you want pie charts, if you want the bar chart, if you want the column chart, the line chart. So but each of these charts they have their usages. Exactly. They have what you use them for. Each of them they have what we use them for. So without wasting much of our time, let's just use our column chart for this. Now we see Okay, now you saw what? Okay, like this. You can see it. I've created what my chart for this. So the next thing is you can just edit it. Now you can see I want to move this like this. I want to what this one. I want to hide all field button. As you can see, hide all field button like this. This one now, I will prefer using what having my value at the top. So let me delete this also. Now this one, what am I going to do here? Next thing I want to do is it. Add my what? My sub my what do I call it? Should I say should I call it subject chat title? So I just say what number of shipments mode, or you can say count. Can you use count? Exactly, count of shipment mode. Then you come here. I can oh I don't need this my old grid lines. I'll remove my grid lines. Then I want my data label should be at the top. Then I'll come here like this. Data label. Exactly. So that's how to that. Now, so you might say, okay, why don't we just arrange this thing based on what their value? So it is possible. So just come here, right click. You can see you're going to see come in, right click like this. You're going to see sort. You can see just click on what? Click on any of this bar, right click, you see sort. You can see smallest to largest. You can see it, or you want to sort largest to smallest. Just depend on your choice. You can see it. So but I prefer the what smallest to largest here. So let me come here and say what sort smallest to largest. Of this clear to every one of us. Then let us move to this one. So we are going to be doing the same way. We are going to be using bar chart for this. Exactly. So just click on this. Come to my pivot table, analyze. From there, my pivot chart. From my pivot chart, the next thing is what I will come to my bar. Come here and I will say, okay, let me go back. Let me go back. Click on this. Come to pivot charts. From there, you come to what our bar charts. From there, you click on this and say what okay. So the same thing, I don't need this. Right click, hide all field buttons and charts. You can see it, my grid lines, I don't need it. I don't need it. See, then I saw it. You can see this one also. I don't like the way it is showing. Just okay, I don't want this also. Delete. Then what do I want? Just say, okay, well, this is what I want. The first note, add your chart title. See, sales made per team. So I can just come in like this and I'm so it's yes I'm done. Then I'll come in like this and so what's okay. Then I want my data label to show. Exactly. So I have my data label here now, and that is how to work with that. So there are copies of you can what using what editing it this bit. As I said, we just want to use that to summarize with our data, and that is why we are not doing much of the editing. So hopefully we might have a live session on how to create charts by the end of this class. Exactly how to create a very good dashboard by the end of this class. For now, this is where we are going to stop. So I hope you've known how to summarize our dataset, our dataset with pivot table and pivot charts. So thanks for watching. We meet in our next class, and please try to what make sure you practicalize this and send to me my WhatsApp via the link below. So in case you are just joining us, as we said, today is the day 29 of whatever Excel work hour. So and under this playlist, we are under just click on this YouTube channel. You're going to see a playlist there tagged Excel work hour. So all the videos per day has been uploaded in that particular playlist. You can go to it and work with that. So thanks for joining everyone. We meet in our class. again by tomorrow, God sparing our life. Do have a nice day. Bye.